innit?
Yeah.
Hello? Is anybody here with us? The owner of the house? Are you with us? We'd love you to communicate with us, if that's possible. It's a beautiful place.
There's one more place we need check. Attic.
You go up there then, mate.
Yeah, all right.
Maybe man, look, I'll go through.
Just be careful of that floorboard, man.
Shh. What the fuck was that?
It was so fucking loud. Tell me what you heard. That's exactly what I heard.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
There's one more place we need check.